Important multiple choice questions. Our first question is the Devil government system in Bengal was introduced by. Options are A. Thomas Munro, B. Hector Munro, C. Robert Clive, D. Colonel Smith. Our right option is C. Robert Clive. Question number two. The first to re-establish trade between India and Europe was. Options are A. Portuguese, B. Dutch, C. English, D. French. Our right option is A. Portuguese. Question number three. The Blue Water Policy was introduced by A. Bartholomew, B. Alfonso de Albuquerque, C. Vasco da Gama, D. Francisco de Almeida. Our right option is D. Francisco de Almeida. Next question. The administration center of the Portuguese in India was. Options are Bharuch, Goa, Surat, Bombay. Our right option is B. Goa. Next question. The beginning capital city of Kerala kingdom was. Options are Padmanabhapura, Vadakakunkura, Travancore, Purakuda. Our right option is A. Padmanabhapura. Next, the British established the first warehouse at. Options are Mahe, Karikal, Surat, Calcutta. Right option is C. Surat. Next, Sir Thomas Rio arrived at the court of. Options are Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. The right option is B. Jahangir. The capital city of the French in India was. Options are Machilipattanam, Calcutta, Chandranagore, Pondicherry. Our right option is D. Pondicherry. The first Carnatic war ended by the Treaty of. Options are Aix-la-Chapelle, Versailles, Berlin, Paris. Right option is A. Aix-la-Chapelle. The capital city of Carnatic was. Options are Cochin, Tanjore, Arcot, Kalikata. Right option is C. Arcot. The second Carnatic war ended by the Treaty of. Options are Calicut, Paris, Surat, Pondicherry. The right option is D. Pondicherry. The third Carnatic war ended by the Treaty of. Options are Bassein, Salbai, Paris, Madras. Our right option is C. Paris. The Diwani rights over Bengal were handed over to the British by. Options are Shah Alam II, Farooq Siyar, Aurangzeb, Tajuddaulah. The right option is A. Shah Alam II. The Dastaks implemented by. Options are Farooq Siyar, Akbar Khan, Shah Alam II, Mir Jafar. Right option is A. Farooq Siyar. The first state to enter into agreement of subsidiary alliance system in India was. Options are Hyderabad, Mysore, Awadh, Gwalior. Our right option is A. Hyderabad. The first Anglo-Maratha war ended by. Options are Treaty of Srirangapattanam, Treaty of Madras, Treaty of Salbai, Treaty of Lahore. The right option is C. Treaty of Salbai. The subsidiary alliance system was introduced by. Options are Robert Clive, Charles Metcalfe, Lord Wellesley, Duplessis. Right option is C. Lord Wellesley. The second Maratha war was ended by the Treaty of. Options are Mangalore, Madras, Bassein, Tanjore. The right option is C. Bassein. The Peshwa post was abolished by. Options are Portuguese, Dutch, English, French. Right option is C. English. The Anglo-Sikh War was ended by the agreement of. Options are Multan, Lahore, Amritsar, Punjab. Right option is B. Lahore Treaty. The doctrine of lapse policy was introduced by. Options are William Bentinck, Lord Ripon, James I, Dalhousie. Our right option is D. Dalhousie. the World Organization was came into existence on? Options are 24th October 1945, 25th November 1945, 26th January 1945, 25th October 1945. Our right option is A, 24 October 1945. The term United Nations was coined by, options are Joseph Stalin, Winston Churchill, Franklin D. Roosevelt, Lenin. Our right option is C, Franklin D. Roosevelt. At present, the number of member nations in the UNO are, options are 192, 193, 194, 195. Our right option is B, 193. The headquarters of UNO is located at, options are Washington, California, New York, Sydney. Right option is C, New York. The World Parliament is known as, options are General Assembly, Security Council, Secretariat, International Court of Justice. Right option is A, General Assembly. The cabinet of UNO is, options are General Assembly, Security Council, Secretariat, International Court of Justice. Our right option is B, Security Council. The headquarters of the International Court of Justice is, options are Hague, Paris, London, Dhaka. Our right option is A. The agency of UNO which was successful in eradicating smallpox from the world is, options are UNESCO, UNICEF, FAO and WHO. Our right option is D, World Health Organization. The headquarters of the WHO is, options are Rome, Geneva, Netherlands, Paris. Right option is B, Geneva. The agency of UNO which won the Nobel Prize in 1965 is, options are UNESCO, UNICEF, FAO, WHO. Our right option is B, UNICEF. The headquarters of the UNESCO is located at Rome, Geneva, Netherlands, Paris. Our right option is D, Paris. The third economic pillar of the world trade and commerce is, options are IMF, IBRD, WTO and SAARC. The right option is C, World Trade Organization. The number of nations of the SAARC is, options are 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right option is C, 8. The headquarters of SAARC is located at, options are New Delhi, Colombo, Kathmandu, Islamabad. The right option is C, Kathmandu. Truly, the whole mankind is one is declared by, options are Ponna, Janna, Ranna, Pampa. The right option is D, Pampa. The article of the Constitution of India prohibits the participate of the practice of untouchability is, options are 17, 24, 21A, 51. Our right option is A, 17. The Appiko movement started on 1983 in Sliani village at Uttar Kannada by, options are the freedom fighters, the farmers, the laborers, the workers. The right option is B, farmers. The Chipko movement took place in the state of, options are West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka. Right option is C, Uttar Pradesh. The Narmada Bachao movement was launched against the construction of dam across the Narmada river under the, options are Damodar project, Sardar Sarovar project, Hirakud project, Upper Krishna project. Our right option is B, Sardar Sarovar project. The leader of Chipko movement was, options are Medha Patkar, Baba Amte, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Dr. Shivaram Karant. Our right option is C, Sundarlal Bahuguna. The Narmada Bachao Andolan was led by, options are Medha Patkar, Baba Amte, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Dr. Shivaram Karant. Our right option is A. Medha Patkar. The Silent Valley movement started at options are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka. The right option is B. Kerala. The agitation against the Kaiga was led by options are Dara Bendre, V.K. Gokak, Kuyumpu, Dr. Shivaram Karant. The right option is D. Dr. Shivaram Karant. The sun rays are fall perpendicular in the northern hemisphere during the options are summer season, winter season, monsoon season, retreating monsoon season. Right option is A. Summer season. Due to local temperature and winds, rainfall occurs in West Bengal is options are Andhis, Kal Baisakhi, coffee blossom, mango showers. Right option is B. Kal Baisakhi. Due to local temperature and winds, rainfall occurs in Kerala is options are Andhis, Kal Baisakhi, coffee blossom, mango showers. Right option is D. Mango showers. Due to local temperature and winds, rainfall occurs in Uttar Pradesh is options are Andhis, Kal Baisakhi, coffee blossom, mango showers. Our right option is A. Andhis. Due to local temperature and winds, rainfall occurs in Karnataka is options are Andhis, Kal Baisakhi, coffee blossom, mango showers. Our right option is C. Coffee blossom. The sun rays fall down vertically on the southern hemisphere during the offspring. Options are summer season, winter season, monsoon season, retreating monsoon season. Right option is D. Retreating monsoon season. The planned economy for India was book published by options are Amartya Sen, Adam Smith, M. Vishweshwaraya, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Our right option is C. Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya. The father of economic planning in India is known by options are Dr. Amartya Sen, M. Vishweshwaraya, Mirza Ismail Kautilya. Our right option is B. M. Vishweshwaraya. The National Planning Commission of India was established in options are 1949, 1950, 1952, 1956. The right option is B. 1950. The Niti Aayog was established in options are 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. Our right option is D. 2015. The father of green revolution in the world is options are Edmund Hillary, Dr. Nariman Borlaug, Robinson, M.S. Swaminathan. Right option is B. Dr. Nariman Borlaug. The father of green revolution in India is options are Kuldeep Iyer, Dr. Nariman Borlaug, Veda Prakash, M.S. Swaminathan. Right option is D. M.S. Swaminathan. The chairman of Niti Ayoga in India is options are the president, vice president, the prime minister, the home minister. Right option is C. The prime minister. The consumer day is observed every year on options are March 15, April 14, May 7, June 21. Right option is A. March 15. The Consumer Protection Act came into force on options are 1984, 1985, 1986, 1987. The right option is C. 1986. The chairman of Central Protection Council at national level is options are the Prime Minister in charge of affairs, the Minister of Social Welfare, the Home Minister, the Food Minister. Right option is A. The Minister in charge Consumer Affairs. In the case of compensation less than 20 lakhs, the complaint has to be submitted to the options are District Forum, State Commission, National Commission, none of the above. Our right option is A. District Forum. In the case of compensation more than 20 lakhs, the complaint has to be submitted to the options are district forum, the state commission, the national commission, none of the above. Right option is B, the state commission. In the case of compensation more than 1 crore, the complaint has to be submitted to the options are district forum, the state commission, the national commission, none of the above. The right option is the national commission.